What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. The legends over at DYNOMYCO sent us over a package, and we're gonna find out what kind of mycorrhiza magic they hooked us up with. Let's check it out. They hooked it up with a few of their product sizes and some extras. First up, a 40-gram sample pack. This is perfect for small grows or anyone who just wants to test it out before committing to a bigger bag. What makes DYNOMYCO different is their high spore concentration. This stuff isn't filler. It's packed with 2 species of beneficial fungi, which actually bond with your plant's roots to expand their reach underground. They even sent some DYNOMYCO branded rolling papers with tips. Love when grow brands throw in extras like this. They also included a pamphlet with a full breakdown of their product, species info, usage rates, and mixing instructions. If you've never used mycorrhizal before, this is worth reading. You'll learn how to apply it properly during transplant or mixing into your medium. It works great in organic and hydro setups. Next up, we've got the 100-gram pack. This size is great for tent growers or a full cycle of a small indoor grow. It's the same powerful inoculant, just more of it. And here's the big one, the Dynamite Stick, with 200 grams of mycorrhizal goodness. Gotta love that name. It's literally explosive root growth in a bag. If you're running multiple tents, outdoor beds, or breeding projects like me, this is the most cost-effective option. It's the same high concentration, just packed for growers who go through a lot. Then we got this sweet hat to wear and show off in style. So that's the full lineup: 40-gram sample pack, 100-gram pack, and the 200-gram Dynamite Stick. Plus some cool rolling papers and a pamphlet full of info and a cool hat to wear. Huge thanks to DYNOMYCO for sending this out. I've used their inoculant before. It's one of the cleanest and most consistent products out there. If you've tried DYNOMYCO before, drop a comment below and let me know. I'll see you all on the next video.